point, parang gusto ko na magkamay. So, magkamay na lang tayo kasi nahihirapan ako. Wash mo na ako hands.
If you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. Way you got me all in my head.
Good morning, guys. So, it's Saturday. And
Nawala yung audio ko, guys. Pero tara, let's get ready.
so, ang breakfast natin for today is bacon and eggs. Ako na yung tawag dito sa house. Let's put it in here. Okay. Guys, I like my coffee sweet. Bacon and egg, and then fried rice lang. We're just using this fork kasi lahat ng spoon namin sa dishwasher. So, tara, kain tayo. Ang dami pala ng rice ko. Kainin lang natin yung kaya natin. I need to watch. At this point, parang gusto ko na magkamay. So, magkamay na lang tayo kasi nahihirapan ako. Wash mo na ako hands. I'm gonna start eating with my hands, the Filipino way. Anyway, guys, putin ko lang to.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Sobrang naman sa eye bags, diba? Para akong panda.
So, dito. Feeling ko lang. Anyway, actually, gonna turn on the shower just before I start. Kasi, it takes time para mag-flow yung hot water sa shower. Guys, so we're done showering. Obviously, the wet hair. Hold on. Let me close the cabinet first. Dito tayo kasi ng lighting. We're using the Dyson Airwrap. Let's fix my face. Grabe, parang namang may magbabago pa. Yung mga color corrector. So, I've been told na kapag dark under eyes, you should put red or orange na color corrector. Actually, I need my small mirror. Meron lang ako compact na mirror. Ayun, nawawala pa. Anyway, this will work. This will do na. And then, I'm just gonna use concealer. That's by It Cosmetics. Kasi hindi siya kaya ng normal talaga. Like, ng normal concealer lang. Sobrang dark. As in, sabay-sabay na. Let's just put, sabay-sabay na to. Kasi 11:10 na. 11:30 kami aalis. So, extend natin sa neck. Face is big. Not gonna lie. So, we're just gonna put a little bit of liquid blush. Kasi, parang it will stay all day. I'm just gonna tap it.
Ayun si ate, kaganda-gandahan.
Pwede naman yun, di ba? If we're like all the way to the back.
Nawala yung audio ko dito, pero naghahanap lang ako ng food dito. Yun lang. Eto, nakabili ako ng Singaporean noodles. Masarap naman siya. Lasang yung medium, pero medyo blunt yung lasa niya. So, parang kailangan pa ng soy sauce, tsaka ng salt. Pero overall, masarap yung fishball.
Here, that's a rice.
Nasa IKEA na kami dito. Ang hirap pala mag-vlog kasi may bit-bit akong, yung push cart. So, nag-video lang ako ng konti. Ito, nakabili ako ng chopping board na malaki. And then, bumili lang ako ng cups kasi nabasa ko yung mga nasa bahay. And then, extra lang. Then, dito pala, self-checkout ka dito. So, ikaw maglalagay ng bag, ikaw ang yung price, ikaw yung lahat.
The
Then,
one,
we head out for some dessert. Nandito kami sa Rizal. Ng Filipina si ate guys, binigyan niya kami ng free pistachio donut. Sobrang sarap. This one, it's located in the city. It's called Rizal. All the donuts, may shakes. Pero ang skincare na date. We head home na rin after the dessert kasi medyo pagod na rin kami. And thank you for watching, guys.